Now in this section of video there are some little bit questions of these types which are based on Euclid division algorithm and you have to solve. These are some little bit theoretical questions and I am trying to explain you then that how will you do these types of questions by your own. Okay. For example, the question is given in this way. Show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5. So, from Euclid theorem, this is the solution. It is of the form A is equal to BQ plus R. Okay, where B is equal to what? Which is given over here. Here it is given 6, so we take it 6. And the value of R is from 0 to 5 because it is 6 over here. Okay. Now we put different values of R in this equation and find the value of A. 1 by 1. Okay. That means value of R is from 0 to 5. Now when value of R is 0, it becomes A is equal to 6q plus 0, which is equal to 6q. Now 6q, as it is obvious, it is divided by 2, so it is an even number. We have to check it for odd number. Now R is equal to 1, then value of A is equal to 6q plus 1. As it is not divided by 2, so it becomes odd number. Okay, now R is equal to 2. Value of A becomes 6q plus 2. Now we can easily see it is divided by 2. 2 3 is 6, 2 1 is 2. So these are divided by 2. So it again is the even number. Okay, now R1, R2, then R is equal to 3. Then A is equal to 6q plus 3. It is again not divided by 2. So it is odd number. We again got here 6q plus 3, 6q plus 1 as a odd number. Clear? In this way, we solve these types of question. Then R is equal to 4. Then it becomes A is equal to 6q plus 4. Now both of them are divided by 2. So it is the even number. Now R is equal to 5. Then A is equal to 6q plus 5, which is again the odd number. So we can check over here 6q plus 5, 6q plus 1 and 6q plus 3. These are 3. They represent the odd integers. Okay, hence proved. So these types of questions are solved by using the formula A is equal to BQ plus R. If you practice more and more, you can easily solve these types of questions. Now watch this question. Show that the square of any positive integer is of the form 3m and 3m plus 1. So, from Euclid division theorem, algorithm, we have the format A is equal to BQ plus R. Now substituting the values, A is equal to 3q plus R, where R is of the value from 0 to 2. That means R will take the values of 0, 1 and 2. Now substitute different values. If R is equal to 0, then A is equal to 3q. R is equal to 1, A is equal to 3q plus 1. R is equal to 2, A is equal to 3q plus 2. Now in the question it is given that show that a square of the numbers. That means when we do a square, then what it becomes, A is equal to 9q square. Then A square is equal to, when we whole square 3q plus 1, we get 9q square plus 6q plus 1. Similarly, when we square 3q plus 2, it becomes 9q square plus 2 2s are 4 plus 3 2s are 6, 12q. Okay. So, this can be write in the form of 3m. Okay. and this can be write in the form of, just watch over here, a square is equal to 9q square plus 6q plus 1. That means if we take 3q common, so it becomes 3 3s are 9 plus 2. If we take 3 only common, 3k square plus 2 plus 1. So it again takes the form of 3m plus 1. Where value of m is what? This. 3q square plus 2q. So it doesn't matter, but we have the format of 3m plus 1 again. So here it is given 3m plus 1. Now observe the third one. In the third one, what we have, a square is equal to 9q square plus 12q plus 4. So what is this? If we take 3 as a common, so we get 3q square plus 4q plus, if we write it as 3 plus 1, so it becomes over here plus 1 and then plus 1. So if we take it as m, then the format again becomes 3m plus 1. So the square of any positive integer is of the form either 3m or 3m plus 1. So these are little bit typical questions, but when you solve it, I think you can easily understand the concept. Thank you.